Hi everyone, I have lived and worked in Germany for more than 2 years now. At the moment of filming this video, I work at German Parliament. I'm from Kazakhstan, I'm not native in German and nor in English. I speak 5 languages. I have no German roots in Germany. I also have no relatives who live or have lived in Europe. But actually I've studied German back in Kazakhstan. Recently I posted a video about learning languages fast and easily and effectively, and I've seen that you all liked it. But today I've asked myself, what would I do if I had to learn German from the scratch? And I've put together a plan for how I will learn German from the scratch. So first of all, doesn't matter what we start, we have to define our goal and minimum time commitment. Clearly articulate why you need German. Studies, work, travel, relocation, or just communication. This will shape your themes, topics, and your focus. Decide how much time you can realistically commit. Step number 2, alphabet and pronunciation. Right away, master the letters like umlaut, e, ö, ü, plus core reading rules. This actually removes the fear of words, of reading the words. Repeat aloud after watching a video or listening to audio and record yourself so you get used to the sounds. And actually I've recently found this website. I don't remember how it's called, but I will put it in the info box. This is actually a great tool for learning any language, for starting to learn any language, because they have a lot of different phrases spoken by natives, and you can actually record yourself right away and try to pronounce these words. And these phrases and words are actually categorized also by topics like travel, taxi, I don't know, general phrases. And of course, in the beginning, your voice, your pronunciations will sound weird or uncomfortable, but it's okay. It's important for you to know that it's okay, that it's absolutely okay, and practice makes it perfect. Step 3, learn the basic grammar, but only the essentials. In the first weeks, just grasp. For example, word order in the sentences, verb conjugations, personal pronouns, and articles, the adidas. Don't try to tackle all grammar at once. Build on layers. For example, present tense first, and then the future, and then the past tense, and then the rest. Step 4, it's important for you to keep in mind that you don't just learn and study the rules, but also everyday phrases. Alongside grammar, learn ready-made phrases for introductions, shopping, greetings, cafes, and transports. Also, one of my favorite life hacks is to role play a mini dialogues in your head, or even out loud. It would be better actually to make it out loud. Like, imagine that you're having a podcast or you're having an interview with someone and you ask yourself questions and you answer them in the language that you're learning, like in this case German. The next tip is to having a main course and to have simple supplements. What do I mean by that? Let's say you have a structured resource, like for example a textbook, or you study with a tutor or something. But additionally to that, you can also use little everyday supplements, so to say, like listening to a podcast, or subscribing and following some influencers, native German influencers, or using apps like Duolingo, or you can switch your Netflix into German. Like you can turn on your favorite TV series, but make the audio and the subtitles in German. That way you would be surrounded by the language you're learning. Tip number 6, learn languages by topics and with the repetition. It's important to learn vocabulary not just randomly, but by themes. Family, animals, food, city, home, work. It's already been researched that our brain remembers the material better when the material information is structured into topics, into dates, into, I don't know, states. So that's why it's important to learn languages, chunking them into different topics. Just a little tip, you can also use flashcards for that. You can create flashcards yourself, like literally write something on one side and the back side of the flashcard, but you can also use digital options like Quizlet, for example. You can create your flashcards there and learn them while, I don't know, while you're commuting to work or to university. Step number 7, add immersive language early. From A1 level, watch super simple videos, lessons with slow speech, and listen to short beginner podcasts. Try speaking clubs or apps like italki or Tandem, where you can actually speak with natives. Step number 8, create daily mini routines. Keep it simple, for example, like this: 5 to 10 minutes learning alphabet and pronunciation or one grammar rule. 10 minutes, new words on one theme and review the old ones. 10 minutes for video and audio, and then allow repetition of phrases from the lesson. Probably one of the most important steps is to not obsess over mistakes. I think it's quite even silly to think that you can manage to learn a language just from the first try, that everything will be perfect right away. You didn't even learn to walk in one day, and you won't speak a different language flawlessly from the first try either, and that's totally normal. Set this mindset from the day one. Despite errors, despite mistakes, awkwardness, or accent, you will keep going. And always remember your step one, your big and ambitious goal. And last but not least, switch to a play mode. Of course, I get it, when admission or work is on the line, it's quite hard to approach it playfully. But experience shows that lighter, game-like efforts make the process easier, more enjoyable, positive, and sustainable. This isn't about being frivolous. No, you have your plan, your discipline, your focus, but pair it with ease and positivity to avoid burnout and push towards results. So that's it. Don't forget to watch the previous video on how to learn languages. I think you will like it. And there I debunk myths on learning languages, share specific practices and techniques, so definitely check that one too. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you're into life and work abroad, self-improvement, and language learning. See you in the next video. Bye!